আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
ভেরি গুড। বিংলি, তুমি তো খুব সুন্দরভাবে সালামের উত্তর দিতে পারো। তুমি কি সবাইকে সালাম দাও? ভেরি গুড, খুব ভালো। আব্বু আম্মু সবাইকে
সালাম দিতে হয়।
স্কুল থেকে এসে আম্মুকে সালাম দিবে।
দিতে হবে।
আর যখন তুমি স্কুলে যাবে কাকে কাকে সালাম দিবে?
টিচারকে সালাম দিতে হবে।
গুড, সবাইকে সালাম দিবে। স্কুলে ব্রাদার সিস্টার টিচার সবাইকে সালাম দিবে। কোনো আন্টিকে দেখলে আঙ্কেলকে দেখলে সবাইকে সালাম
ছোট
দিবে।
বড় সবাইকে সালাম দিতে হবে।
ভেরি গুড বিংলি, তুমি তো অনেক কিছু জানো। গুড। আর তোমার ফ্রেন্ডদেরকেও
দিতে হবে।
ফ্রেন্ডদেরকেও সালাম দিতে হবে। ঠিক আছে বিংলি। আচ্ছা বিংলি, last Friday you went to your village. Did you go there?
Yeah. Yes, I go there.
Bingley, yes, I went there.
Yes, I went there.
Very good, Bingley. Bingley, what did you see there?
সবুজ আর সবুজ।
সবুজ আর সবুজ কি?
গাছ।
Wow. Then you must tell, I saw trees.
I saw trees. I saw birds.
You saw birds?
Yes, I saw many birds.
What were the birds doing?
They fly.
They flying. They were flying in the sky.
They were flying in the sky.
Okay. Bingley, did you see the river?
Yes, I see the river.
Bingley, again you are making mistake.
Sorry. I saw the river.
Very good. I saw the river. Oh, and what did you do there? Did you take your bath?
No, it's cold.
It's cold, so I did not take my bath.
It's cold, so I did not take my bath.
In the river.
In the river.
Very good. Bingley? Bingley, did you see your grandma?
Yes, I saw my grandma.
What did she make for you?
She made cookies.
She made pita for you?
Yes, she made pita for me.
Okay, did you like it?
Yes, I like it.
No, I liked it.
I liked it.
Yes, I liked it.
Yes, I liked it.
Okay, Bingley, did you like your village?
Yes, I like my village.
And did you see any flowers?
I saw many flowers.
Wow. Bingley, which place do you like most? Do you like Dhaka or do you like your village?
I like my village most.
Okay, Bingley, you like your village.
Yeah.
Good. I also like my village. Will you take me in your village?
Will you go with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Bingley, I want to know one thing. How did you go to your village?
By bus.
By bus?
Yes.
Okay. Then I can go. Because whenever I go anywhere, I always go with my parents. Do you go with your parents?
I always will go with my parents.
Very good, Bingley. Okay, one day I'll go to your village.
Okay.
Now say bye to your friends.
Bye.